Okay. Are you ready for our lesson?
Yes.
Okay. My name is Teacher Pau. How about you? What is your name?
My name is Amy.
Hi, Amy. Nice to meet you. Teacher is so happy that you are here today. Okay, let's start our lesson for today, and teacher will share her screen now. Okay. This is our lesson for today. Okay. Amy, can you tell teacher what can you see in the picture?
I can see a elephant.
Elephant. What else?
I can see a water. I can see trees.
Trees. You saw trees? Yes, there
So
are trees
many
at the back.
trees.
Yes, so many trees. They are animals. Hello.
Animals. Yes, they are animals.
Yes, okay. Okay, where do you think they are?
They are. They are
They are in
in
the safari.
the safari.
Yes, you're right. Safari is where some of the animals live, wild animals live. Do you have any animals that you like?
No, 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 I haven't.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I do.
Or what
No,
pet is it?
haven't.
Pet. Do you have a dog, a cat, a rabbit, or a fish? Do you have any of those?
No, I don't. I don't
Okay.
have.
You don't have any pets. Teacher has a pet. I have a dog. Okay. Now let's go to the next page. Okay. Now teacher will zoom the pictures and then tell teacher what is it. Okay. Can you read this for teacher? This one. What is this? Can you read this one? This is skin. Say the word skin. Amy, say the word skin. Okay, repeat after teacher one more time. Skin.
It's king.
Okay, skin. Do you know what is skin?
What is mean?
Skin, okay. Teacher will tell you about the skin. Skin, this is what covers our body. Like this one. These are our skin in the face, in the neck, and arms. Okay. Can you show teacher your skin?
Yes.
Yes. These are your skin. Okay. Yes, skin. How about this one?
It's my
Mammals. Okay, great job. This is what we called mammals. Okay. Do you know what is mammals? Say one more time. Mammals.
mammals.
Okay. Mammals, they are milk
They
producing animal. Okay, can you repeat after teacher? Milk producing animals.
animals.
Yes, mammals are, they produce
Mammals are eat the door
Look at this
Mm,
one. Mammals, they produce milk. They gave birth like human. Oh, can you look at the picture and tell teacher what kind of mammal is in the picture? What do you think is this? This is a
Giraffe.
yes, this is a giraffe. Okay, can you repeat after me? This is a giraffe.
This is a giraffe.
Right. How about this one? What mammal is this?
Is
This is a zebra.
this is a zebra.
Okay, great job, Amy. How about this one? Do you know what are these?
This an egg.
Yes, you're right. Do you know where do eggs came from? Do you know where do eggs came from? Amy, do you know where do eggs came from? Eggs, or repeat after
Egg
me, came from chicken.
clean from chicken.
Yes, have you seen an egg?
Yes, I do.
Do you eat eggs for breakfast? Do you eat eggs?
Yes, I
Oh,
do.
oh, very good. Okay. Eggs, they are usually came from chicken, but there are also eggs that came from fish. Okay. Okay, next one. Can you read this one for teacher?
Amphibians.
Amphibians. Repeat after.
Amphibians.
Okay, one more time. Amphibians.
Amphibians.
Okay. Amphibians are animals that can live both in land and in water. Okay. They need their skin to be moist. Do you know what kind of animal is this? What animal is this?
This animal is a frog.
Frog. Yes, you're right. Frog is an example of amphibian. They can live both in land and in water. Okay. How about this one? Can you read this one for teacher?
Sargos.
Scales.
Scales.
One more time. Say the word scale.
Scales.
Okay. Do you know what is scales?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Scales. Oh, what is scales?
Mm.
Scales, they are usually
Scales they are
found
formed
on fish.
on fish.
Yes, they are the bony plates protecting the skin of the fish. Okay. How about this one? Do you know what is this one?
Is guys.
Say the word gills.
Gills.
Okay, one more time. Gills.
Gills.
Okay. Gills. Oh, what can you see in the picture? What kind of animals you think this is?
This is a fish.
Fish, yes. Gills. A fish uses gills to breathe. How about you? What do you use to breathe? What do you use to breathe? Do you use your eyes to breathe? Yes or no? What do you use to breathe?
No, I don't.
You don't know. We use our nose and mouth to breathe, right? Like that. Okay. But when it comes to fish, they use their gills to breathe. Okay. How about this one?
It's feathers.
Feathers. Great job, Amy. Do you know what is feathers?
Yes, I do.
Okay. What is feathers, Amy? Feathers
Feathers mm,
are
are
usually found in birds.
is sprout a bird.
Usually found in birds.
Is farming sprout is bird.
In birds. Do you know what is bird? Like this one?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. The feathers are colorful and they are the coverings of a bird. How about this one? Can you read this one for teacher?
Is wings.
Wings. Great job, Amy. Do you know what is wings?
Mm,
Do you know what is wings?
yes, I do.
Okay. What is wings?
Is mm,
Okay, repeat after teacher. Okay. Birds.
birds.
Birds. One more time.
Bird.
You
Bird.
use their wings
The wings.
to fly.
The fries.
To fly.
The fries.
Fly, yes. Birds uses their wings to fly. Okay. How about this one? Can you read this one for teacher?
Is bird.
Fur. Great job, Amy. Thank you for reading that. Fur, these are short, fine, soft hair, usually found in dogs, cats, bear, and
The
lions.
the
Okay.
lions.
Yes, on lions. They are the coverings usually found in dogs. Have you seen a dog?
Yes, I do.
Okay. And dogs has its fur. Okay. Now, now let's read the sentences and tell teacher what is this. Okay. Can you read the number one for teacher?
Birds have two of these. All does don't have a this.
Oh, say the word.
Wing.
Okay. Orangutans. Say the word orangutan. Orangutan. Repeat after me. Amy, say the word orangutans.
Orangutans.
Yes, orangutans. This is like a monkey. Okay. According to the sentence, birds, they have two of these, but it doesn't have two orangutans. These are
Wings.
wings. Okay, great job, Amy. How about this one? Can you read this one for teacher?
This some people eat them in the morning.
Okay, what do chicken legs lay? Okay, these are eggs.
These
Okay,
are eggs.
Yes, very good. How about this one? Can you read this one for teacher?
These are out over animals' bodies.
Okay, what do you think is that? These are the coverings of an animals. What do you think is this?
Is
These are
these are
okay. I'm gonna remove my these are the read this one. Skin.
these are teeth.
Skin.
Is king.
Skin.
Is
Scales.
king. Is king.
Scales.
Is tails.
Feathers.
Feather.
And
And
this one.
fur.
Fur. Very good. These are all over animals' bodies. Okay, let's read again.
Fur.
This one.
Is fur.
This
Is
one.
fur.
This one. Skin.
Is king.
Okay. And the coverings of the fish are called is
Is
scales.
trails.
Okay. And the covering of the birds are called
Hmm.
called
Go
feathers.
further.
And the coverings of some animals are called
Is fruit.
fur. Okay. Can you read the number for teacher?
An elephant and an orange are part of
Orangutan.
this group.
Okay, one more time. Read this again. Orangutan.
Orangutan.
Okay, are part of this group. Orangutan.
Orangutan.
Okay, very good. What do you think it is? This, an elephant and orangutan are part of this group. What kind of group of animals is this?
Is
They give birth.
man.
They
They
are
can bird.
they are
Man.
called mammals.
Mammals.
Okay, okay. How about number 5?
Frogs are part of this group.
Okay, what kind of group is this? What do you think kind of group is this? These are called amphibians.
Amphibians.
Okay, for number 6.
Many animals that live in water have this to have them breathe.
Breathe. Say
Breathe
breathe, okay. Many animals that live in water have this to help them breathe. What do you think is this?
is feet is
It is called
this is ghost.
gills. Okay. Great
Geese.
job, Amy. Okay. Now let's go to the next page. Okay, how about this one? Can you read this one for teacher, Amy?
Mice and hamsters are both mammals. They both have four legs and run flash.
Okay.
Hamsters live in sheet at
Side
mid-side
and
in make
mice
mice Is the read list outside. Both animals are small.
Okay. Say the word mice one more time.
Mice.
Okay. Do you know what is mice and hamsters?
Mm, Yes, I do.
Okay. Okay. Now you tell teacher if they are the same or different. Do mice and hamsters have fur? Yes or no? Are they
Mm,
the same or different? Do they have fur? They have
No, they
fur.
have fur.
Yes. Excuse me. How about forelegs?
Yes,
Yes, they are the same.
foreign,
They have both forelegs. Do they live
foreign.
inside or outside? Are they the same or different? Ye-
No,
Yes, they are different. Mice live outside and hamster live inside. Are they big or small?
small.
Is
No,
small.
yes.
Okay. Great job, Amy. Thank you for answering that. Okay. Let's go now to the next page. Okay, can you read this for teacher? Amazing animals.
Amazing animals.
Okay. Teacher will read this first, then you'll read the next one after. All animals can breathe and move, but they are different in many amazing ways. Here, we look at how they are different, and this helps us put them into groups. Okay. These are different groups of animals. Okay. These are what we call the, can you read this one?
Mm, bird.
Birds. Okay. How about this one?
Amphibians.
Amphibians. One more time.
Amphibians.
Okay. How about this one? Can you read this one for teacher?
Is fish.
Fish. And the last one is what we call
Is
the
the
mammals.
mammals.
Okay, great job. Okay, now can you help teacher to read about birds? Amy, can you read this one for teacher?
Our birds have two legs, two wings, and feathers,
Feathers.
and more feathers, and more birds can fly. Fly.
Okay.
The wings, mm,
And
and
feathers.
feathers have 10 flies, and the first
Feathers.
feathers have keep 10 words. Birds lay eggs with herself.
Hard
The
shells.
keep feathers.
Okay.
The keep baby bird inside safe from animals. This
That
from the
want.
the one to eat them.
Okay, birds, they have two legs, two wings, and feathers. Birds usually fly and they also lay. What do they lay? Birds lay
Leaf. And
eggs. Okay, how about this one? Can you read this one for teacher?
yes.
Okay. Amphibians.
Amphibians
Uh,
are very interesting
Interesting.
in the
Resting.
thing.
Okay.
Thing. Bird cows.
They
The,
can
they
live
they can live on land and in water. Amphibians
need
need need
to
to
have
have with skin to so they live in which place
wet
they
places. One more time.
places
Wet places.
with places
Okay.
they have this
They have
windy they young
yeah,
and the guys have
gills.
ten
Gills.
is have ten
Breathe.
breathe in water most amphibians like
Amphibians.
crab
One more time.
amphibians
Okay.
has like frogs have legs that have ten work and jump on land.
Okay, thank you for reading that. Just what I told earlier, amphibians are animals that can live both on land and in water. Okay, next, let's read about fish. Okay, can you read the fish for me?
Fish have geese to have ten birds
Breathe,
in breathe in water. Like what
scales,
over scale
scales,
or is the over this borders
bodies.
have keep bodies have keep them safe so from dangers.
Dangerous.
These rules.
Okay.
Fish had weigh one
Want,
bite them. They don't have length. Put they
but,
fish,
but,
but they fish
fins,
fins fins had toss have
tails, tails,
they they have them swim. Fish like they these ants
their
in
eggs.
water
Okay. And
and then ants are shown.
soft.
So short.
Okay. Fish, they have gills like what I show you earlier and scales all over their body to protect their skin. Okay, and the last one is about, okay, can you read this one for me? This is the last one, Amy.
Mamas. Some
Mammals.
mamas
Okay.
live on land and some live in water with
Whales.
with or water mamas and cat
Cat.
cat
Okay.
rabbit, and lion.
Oh.
All let mama's hair,
Hair
hair or fur
covers
cover most let mama's butchers
bodies.
bodies and these have keep them warm. Hippo are mammals too. Mammals no lay eggs. The babies drink milk from the mother.
Okay, great job,
How
Amy.
mammals
Thank you for
from
reading that. Okay, so these are the groups of animals. These are the birds. Say birds,
mammals,
amphibians, mammals,
mammals and
and
fish.
fish. Yes. So, did you learn something from teacher today, Amy?
Thank you.
Okay. So this is where our lesson ends for today, Amy. I hope that you enjoy our lesson and you learn something from teacher, okay?
Thank you.
Okay, Amy. I hope to see you on my classes, Amy.
Goodbye. See you
Bye.
again.
See you again, Amy. Thank you.
Bye.